Hey everyone, welcome back to or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is fun facts about budgies. They may also be known as parakeets, just depending on what country you live in, but for the purpose of today's video, we're going to be calling them budgies. So if you have any questions, make sure to leave them down below, or any video suggestions, comment them. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoy. A budgie can have up to 3,000 feathers in total covering their body. Budgies' hearts beat over 300 times per minute. You can tell a budgie's gender by their cere, an area above the beak, surrounding the nostrils. Budgies can make great talking birds as they are able to learn words, phrases, and whistles easily. Budgies can turn their heads up to 180 degrees. Budgies poop as often as every 20 minutes. Budgies' bones are hollow. Budgies have a third eyelid. Budgies have the ability of monocular vision. This means they can see out of each eye independently. Budgies don't have a bladder. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Also remember to comment any video suggestions down below or any questions, and I'll try to answer you as soon as possible. But thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!